On today's Try to Finish Something, what I got for you is failure. I put out 2 videos every week, which is a lot of content to put out. I put out a new video on Tuesday, today, and then I put out another video on Friday. Today's video was supposed to be about a new holster that I was making for my Shore Trooper armor. If you've been watching the channel, you know I had a holster for my Shore Trooper blaster pistol as seen in the new Andor series, and it's phenomenal. It is a fantastic recreation of the screenshots that we have seen. But the problem is, I went for 501st approval and had that holster on and had to remove it to get 501st approval. And to remove it, I had to dismantle the entire belt. I had to take off belt boxes and all kinds of stuff just to get it off. And so what I'm looking to do is to make a holster that is removable. Maybe have some hidden snaps so that I can put it on, take it off, and be able to wear it if I wanted to, and remove it if I wanted to, and have it look perfect both ways. Failed miserably. I'm not a tailor, and I don't know that much about sewing, and had all kinds of sewing machine problems, design flaws in what I put together, and it all just went downhill in fiery flames. Awful. But I want to show you my failures as well. So on Friday's Try to Finish Something, I'm going to show you another failure. But today, that means I've got nothing for you. I have absolutely nothing. And because my channel is small and I don't have a lot of cool features that you have as your channel grows, I can't even put out a notification that just in text says, no video today, it'll be delayed. I have to do it this way and bare my soul to the camera and show you that I've got absolutely nothing. If I can get something together before Friday, I'll try and release it and still put out 2 videos this week. But what I got for you today is absolutely nothing. Short video, giant failure. Thanks for watching, everybody.